Hey people, so this is I'm at basically this is like in Apollo, and this is a Sunday, and I'm here basically to watch my child's football tournament. But I'm happy to just be here with the rabbits, and there's a second rabbit right here. It's very weird, and I have like medical students looking at me, but I put out the cage here, but the rabbits insist on being somewhere near me. So I have to now. Once I get home, I will apply ointment and all of that. Ointment, as in just even turmeric and aloe vera, because I want to be able to carry my rabbits, keep them with me. But it's the skin trouble that is very. So, just generally, yeah, being a pet parent entails so much. Besides, of course, the general upkeep, it's also these health issues. So, so yeah, anyone looking to be a pet parent, I'm so amazed that these. Where is this little girl? She's going and sitting right beneath me. But yeah, I'll just keep them here, and then that will be so cool. So, on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.